That's right. That's right, my friends. The number one day trading channel is back. Back to trading, back to making money. I know I've been on a bit of a hiatus. I've been on a bit of a rant lately, and people have been upset with me. They wanted to see trading. They want to see money. They want to see action. Well, luckily for you guys, luckily for my very dedicated and loyal subscribers, I'm back. I'm back. And I'm green, baby. It's Monday morning, making a little bit of money here this morning. Going to talk about that trade and the whole caboodle this morning, right here on the channel, the number one day trading channel on YouTube. If you guys haven't already, if you're just now tuning in for the first time, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button. Help me get to 100,000 subscribers so I can finally buy a Lamborghini. I'm just kidding. I wasn't going to buy a Lamborghini, but I would possibly do something nice for people out there. Like give everybody who subscribed to my channel $100. Just kidding. I can't actually do that because it would cost a lot of money. $100 times 100,000 people. Yeah, that's going to be really expensive. But either way, let's get into that live action right here, right now. So I'm looking here at GLYC for a short opportunity. If this can, looking for like a bit more of a push back up here. Let's say that for kind of 450 area, we'll like see a little bit more above that 450, but not sure if we're gonna get it here. Let's see. All right, so getting some fill there at 456. Right as this is kind of pushing up into the EMAs there. Looking for a bit of a pullback. Obviously, we want to see this pullback down there to the 430s. It's down pretty big on the day so far. It's down, 50% so far today. So looking to see if this overall downward momentum can continue and see if we can get down here below the 420 area. 420 earlier, a little bit of a support area so far, pre-market. But we're looking to see if we can't pull down there and break below that 420 this morning before the market opens. I can add some more if this does start to push back up too much here. But looking like we're kind of running into resistance there on the 5-minute chart, kind of pushing up into those EMAs right now. Looking to make a little bit of gain today. It's been a while since I've traded. It's been a hot minute, so kind of just looking for a little bit of green today. Get back in the driver's seat, back in the saddle, back on the horse. Let's see if we can get down to the 440s. A little of a kickback up here to the 460s. Looking to add, I'll add some more into this. Up in the 460 area if we get up there. Still think this has plenty of room to go down here. So just add another 500 shares there. 455. Can add some more as this pushes up here. 460s. So 465 would be getting some nice resistance there at the 460 area. So we want to see that hold for now. Kind of keep up with that downward trend here. See if we can get back below 450 here. So now I'm thinking I'm going to move my kind of mental stop down here to the 460 area. If we push back up here, get back above 460, it's kind of looking like this might want to kind of bounce back. So mentally, I'm thinking, if we can't kind of keep this downward trend going, then I'm going to jump out. And 460 area would kind of validate that idea of it not wanting to hold that downward trend. So basically right now, I'm just sitting here looking for this 450 area to break. If we can't break 450, then we'll have to get out there once this kind of pushes up back above the EMA. So 465, 460 area, kind of watching to see how this does or how this reacts to that area if it does start to push back up here. Kind of at the fine line right here. The fine line in the sand. If this is going to want to drop here. It's kind of happen. It's going to kind of happen right around here, kind of that overall trend. This thing pushes back above 460. Might want to push back up here to the 490 area one more time. You can see earlier having a little bit of trouble there at the 490s. So that's obviously, you know, some resistance up there. But this could kind of find some support here in the 445, 450 area and then try to push back up to that previous resistance. The stock is down 50% right now on the day, or this morning, I guess. That was on Friday, but this morning it's down. It's showing 50% drop from the $9 area down there to 420 right now. So looking pretty slow overall this morning. You can see the gappers, trade ideas, gappers. Really not much going on, not a lot of volume. GLYC really the only thing with volume this morning. So kind of why I'm playing this right now. Let's see what happens right here. If we're going to fall through that 450 support. 451 seller sitting there. But that 450 support kind of trying to hold it up there. Okay, there we go. Getting through there. Let's see if we can get down here to the 445 area. Big order flashing down there at 440 right now. Not really sure if that's real or not. So I'm going to buy some right there at 445 just to lock in some green this morning. And let's see if we can't get down there to the low 40s now. 440 area. 440 now. Beautiful. So I'm going to take it right there, 438. I'm not going to be greedy. This looks like it wants to keep going lower, but I'm going to just take a little $200 profit this morning and kind of playing into the overall plan. You know, this morning I woke up and I was like, hey, it's my first day back after a long time after a long vacation from trading. So we don't need to go out there and we don't need to blow up our account. We don't need to do anything stupid. We just need to make a little bit of money. And that's what we did this morning, made a little bit of money. And you can see basically what I was doing there. You know, really simple, really easy. Well, not really simple, not really easy, but just kind of playing into the overall idea that this thing is trending lower. We drew the resistance, support, kind of looking at this like, okay, we had this resistance here, resistance, resistance, resistance. Now we're making these kind of, this candle right here, I know it messes this up. Like this candle right here kind of messes up this chart, but this is not like a real candle. This is the 8 a.m. candle, kind of some orders going through there and stuff. This didn't actually get that low. So this isn't like a low and then it didn't bounce back up. It was kind of holding this 460 area. It dipped here. It made this lower high. And now you can see it's kind of trying to break through this 435 area one more time here. So you can see if you just kind of remove that candle there, just take this candle out of there, you would see how this pushed up there, 490 resistance, started to kind of go sideways, and then dipped down there from there. So that's what we're looking at. That's what we're playing into. That's the action this morning. And like I said earlier, really not much going on in terms of overall just action and volume. So kind of is what it is. Trade ideas, gapper scanner, GLYC, popping up there this morning, making a little bit of money. $200, not a bad way to start the week off. Start the week off with a green day. And yeah, I'm just trying to get back into the rhythm, the kind of flow here, you know, trading and getting back into it. So thanks for watching, guys. If you haven't already, do me one big favor, hit that subscribe button, and I will talk to you guys later on.